welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video on an eyebrow tutorial. I feel like this is much needed because when I was on YouTube, like when I first started doing makeup, it was like really hard to find people to do eyebrows tutorial with, I could say, like thick eyebrows. So I'm going to be giving you guys one of them. So we might as well get into this video because I don't want to waste your time. So the first thing I use is glue stick to lay my eyebrows down. Like school glue, pretty much. That's what it does, school glue. First, then I brush my eyebrows up. It turns clear, so wipe your eyebrows on there. Brush again. You see like how they lay, like look how they lay, and then look how they like kind of bushy. I did get my eyebrows arched 2 days ago, but I don't feel like it's necessary because I even did this with my eyebrows not arched. So the next thing I do is get my angled brush and my finish spray, and I spray it like, and then I do that so it won't be like so much water on it. And then I get my eyebrow pomade, and yes, it is from the Crayon Case, and the color is medium brown that I use. And I'm gonna, like you can see I've been using it, but I'm gonna dab that in there like a couple times. And now I'm gonna start filling in the back. Don't mind me in this though, I just, yeah. So I'm gonna start filling in the back first. And what you're going to do as you're doing it is going in the direction that your eyebrows are, like since they are already arched, just fill it in how dark you want it. So I'm just going to continue to fill this in. And I'm going to continue, like you're going to see me keep going in inside the Promade. You see how like that tail coming, and then like this one ain't got none, but this one got some. And now I'm gonna go like right here, as you can tell. I'm gonna go right down and fill it in. I don't have to have it too dark, but it's just something where when I like my eyebrows to be dark. And I need to fix this bottom piece right here. So that could be filled in. And then I can see that my back needs to be touched up. I think this is about good enough. I don't want it to be super thick, so I'm going to be done with that. Now I'm going to use my concealer, also my highlight concealer that I got from the Crayon Case. And this is the shade 9. So I'm just going to put that much on the back of my hand for now. And now I'm going to get my pencil that I got from the Crayon Case. And it's like a concealer pencil, like you see like how thin it is and flat. I feel like that is good for eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is put that, like go in on the back of my hand. And I'm going to do my underneath my brow first. And I'm going to start from the back. And you're not going to drag it, you're going to like swipe, swipe, swipe. this, like try to lift it up, but I just put my eyes up, like, you know, stretch your eyes like that. And I just try to make sure that I get like all this and make sure that it's pretty much perfect in my, like, you know, my way definition, I can say. So that's how I just do it, like do that. And now I'm gonna go to the front. And since I could say, wait, yeah. And since I could say like this is arched, all I'm gonna do is just drag it down from my eyebrow so that when it's time to blend, it doesn't, I don't like mess up. You get what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna see. So all I'm gonna do is just drag this down. And the way that I learned to do my eyebrows was actually doing it like this, like just start dragging it down like that. And that's pretty much how I learned. But then when I started getting the hang of it, I was just like doing how like I pretty much just did. So if you could see, like that is arched to like my liking. So now I'm gonna do the top. So you see how like I used it for the bottom, I did it this way. I'm gonna do it like this for the top. Just swipe lightly, and I do the same thing, like go lightly. But when I get to the back, I tend to just drag it. So let's just show you guys. So you see that is right there. Pretty much you have the front arched. See that? So what I'm gonna do is when I get to this part, I just drag it. So I'm gonna make sure that I have it right here and just drag it on down. Boom. Now, like I said for the bottom, I wanna drag this up. But you have to be really careful because you do not want to touch your eyebrow. Like, you do not want to mess up the work that you just did, pretty much. So I'm just going to drag it up and move the product away from my eyebrow. So yeah, so now that we are done with that part, we're gonna get the brush, well, a brush also from the Crayon Case. It's the Crayon Case 9 AM brush, and yes, y'all gonna be like, why everything Crayon Case? Because the Crayon Case, black owned, support, period. So I'm gonna use this brush, this 9 AM brush, and I really do like it. So what I'm gonna do is just pat away from your brows. You get it? Like, I'm gonna start with the front. Pat. So boom, now we have an eyebrow done. Now since that one is done, I might as well just do the other one while I'm at it. So like I said, brush your eyebrow up. I'm gonna do it like this. Oh, it look like this one messed up. Oh, it is. She put, I don't look at this one like what, but oh, she put too much hair into that one. I'll get my eyebrows done for the next 2 months. So we got the angle brush again, and we're gonna start from the back. Boom. Did y'all like really just see how quick that was? I did it. Like what? So I still got some concealer on my hand, but I'm gonna just add some more concealer. And do my eyebrow. See, I messed up. Like, you really can't tell because of the camera far back, but I messed up right here, and all I did was just wipe off the concealer off of my eyebrow with the same angle, with the same brush that I used to fill in my eyebrows. I want to make sure I have a tail, you know, like I gotta have a tail, like that thing hanging. The bottom is done. It looks as if I really don't have to put concealer at my top, but I just like them to be perfect. So I am gonna do the top of the brow. like I say, drag away from your brows. Boom. Oh, my eyes burning. We couldn't get so my eyes burning. Like, so yeah, eyebrow. I mean, get your brush, the eyebrow, and just blend, blend, blend. I'm kind of like doing this part too. So yes, we have 2 eyebrows. Period. Ooh, do y'all see how this look? Like, all I have to do is really just wipe this off my face and go on by my day. Like, that's all I have to do. But I really do like how my brows look. And honestly, your brows, both brows, will never, ever look the same. They're gonna look like twins. And I am a twin, so boom, it just matched me. They're gonna be sisters, not twins. Well, matter of fact, no, they gonna be twins, but they gonna be fraternal. They're not gonna be identical. Boom. These eyebrows gonna be fraternal twins, not identical, period. So we got 2 brows, and I thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Make sure that you spam that like button if this was so helpful to you. Make sure that you comment down below some more makeup looks that you think I should do, because I'm not gonna wipe this off. I'm actually gonna do a whole look. So stay tuned to that next video to see how my look turns out. Peace.